Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete some games on your PlayStation 4. So if you just want to delete one game at a time, just go over the game on the home screen here, press options on it, and then go down to delete. And you can delete it off your PlayStation. And then you can go on over to library and then scroll on down. You go to purchase and you can get it back on your PlayStation just under this section right here. And then you can just download it again in the future. Now, if you want to delete multiple games at the same time, go up to settings right here and select it. And then go on down to where it says storage. Then wait for this to calculate. I have an SSD, so it goes a little bit quicker. And then we can go to applications. And you can see I have 3 different games on here. I can go ahead and press options under here. Go to delete, select multiple games, and then go to delete at the bottom. And I can get those off my PlayStation now. So it's really simple to go and delete multiple games. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.